Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P2138, refers to an issue with the accelerator pedal position, APP sensor A and B, specifically indicating an incorrect voltage correlation between these two sensors. This code is often seen in vehicles equipped with a direct drive accelerator pedal system, using sensor inputs to communicate with the powertrain control module, PCM. The APP sensor plays a vital role in regulating engine throttle response, enabling smooth acceleration based on the driver's input via the accelerator pedal. Proper functioning of these sensors is crucial for vehicle performance and safety. Failures or discrepancies between these sensors can lead to erratic throttle response, possible loss of power, and in some cases, trigger engine limp mode due to safety features programmed within the vehicle's PCM. Therefore, it's essential to address P2138 proactively to ensure optimal engine management and vehicle drivability. DTC P2138 indicates an incorrect voltage correlation between the APP sensor A and APP sensor B, which are critical components that relay the position of the accelerator pedal to the PCM. These sensors are located on the accelerator pedal assembly, which is mounted in the vehicle's footwell. When the driver presses the accelerator, the APP sensors generate a voltage that is sent to the PCM, allowing it to adjust engine throttle accordingly. If there is a malfunction, either due to wiring issues or sensor failures, the PCM will not receive accurate information regarding the throttle position. This can result in poor engine performance, erratic acceleration, or the vehicle entering a fail-safe mode. The DTC will be recorded as either confirmed or pending based on the failure mode observed during diagnostic checks. The possible causes of DTC P2138 often include a faulty APP sensor, which can fail due to internal defects or physical damage, resulting in incorrect voltage readings. Wiring issues might also contribute, where the wiring harness could be shorted or have poor connections, leading to communication failures between the APP sensors and the PCM. Another potential cause is a malfunctioning powertrain control module, PCM, which can misinterpret sensor data or fail to communicate effectively with the engine's throttle management system. Each of these factors can lead to the performance-related issues associated with this DTC, requiring thorough inspection and testing to determine the root cause. When experiencing DTC P2138, drivers may notice erratic throttle responses, where the engine fails to respond smoothly or appropriately to accelerator input. This can manifest as sudden, unintended acceleration or a complete loss of engine responsiveness, which can be dangerous. Another common symptom is a noticeable loss of engine power, especially when attempting rapid acceleration or climbing hills, due to the PCM limiting engine performance to prevent further damage. In some cases, the vehicle may enter limp mode, where the PCM restricts vehicle speed and throttle input to protect the engine and transmission. These symptoms necessitate immediate attention to ensure driver safety and prevent further damage to the vehicle. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2138 involves turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This allows the vehicle's onboard diagnostic system to perform necessary checks. Following this, the diagnostic interface known as HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, is utilized to clear the detected DTC. Clearing the DTC ensures that any previous fault codes are removed from the memory, facilitating a fresh start for further diagnostics. After clearing, the driver needs to press the accelerator pedal all the way down to the floor. This action allows the HDS to capture any pending or confirmed DTCs that may reappear upon interaction with the accelerator pedal sensor. If P2138 is confirmed, the failure has continued, and the technician should proceed to the next troubleshooting step. In the second troubleshooting step, the technician determines potential failure areas by checking the voltage output of app sensor A and app sensor B using the HDS. It's crucial that both sensors output the same voltage to ensure proper functionality. If the readings are indeed the same, the technician should proceed to the next step for further diagnostics. If the voltages differ, it may indicate a failure in one of the sensors, leading to the observed DTC P2138. In this case, replacing the app sensor will likely solve the problem. This step is essential because confirming consistent voltage helps isolate the issue directly to the sensors or points towards wiring or PCM-related issues. Step 3 focuses on checking the PCM, a key component responsible for managing engine functions based on data received from various sensors, including the APP sensors. Start by turning the vehicle to the off lock mode and using the HDS to jump the service check signal (SCS) line, allowing the technician to reset the PCM's fault memory. After waiting a minute, the technician disconnects the PCM connector A51P to test for continuity between specified test points. These test points include PCM connector A number 45 and number 38. Continuity between these points is critical for verifying that the PCM is functioning correctly. If continuity is present, the issue could stem from other system components, while a lack of continuity suggests the need to check the PCM further or replace it if authorized service information suggests so. In the final troubleshooting step, the technician focuses on confirming the integrity of the wires connecting APP sensor circuits, specifically between the APS1 line and APS2 line. This is done by disconnecting the APP sensor 6P connector and using the vehicle in off lock mode for safety. Again, continuity is checked between PCM connector A number 45 and number 38. If continuity exists, it indicates the presence of a short in the wiring harness between these lines, which must be repaired to restore correct signal operation. Conversely, if no continuity is found, it confirms that the APS1 and APS2 lines are functioning properly, which would necessitate replacing the APP sensor itself to correct the DTC P2138 issue. After completing repairs for DTC P2138, it is essential to perform final verification to ensure that the issue has been successfully resolved. Start by rechecking for any DTCs using the HDS, ensuring that P2138 does not reappear. After clearing any new DTCs, a test drive of the vehicle is crucial to assess real-world performance and verify that the throttle response operates correctly. The technician should pay close attention to any erratic acceleration or power loss during this testing phase. Ensuring that everything functions seamlessly provides confidence that the problem has been addressed. If any problems persist, further diagnostics or revisiting previous steps may be necessary before concluding the repair process. In conclusion, addressing DTC P2138 involves a structured approach to troubleshooting, starting from verifying the signals from the APP sensors, checking for continuity, and evaluating the PCM function. Each step is critical in isolating the issue, ensuring that the vehicle's throttle response and overall engine management are functioning optimally. It is important to validate that the repairs have resolved the DTC by rechecking for error codes and conducting a test drive for practical assessment. Additionally, keeping an eye on the vehicle's performance going forward helps ensure that no recurrence of the issue occurs. Maintaining system functionality ensures both driver safety and comfort, preventing future complications with vehicle performance. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.